be able to is a special phrase that works like the modal verb can, but with one big advantage. It can be used in all tenses, present, past, future, perfect tenses, everywhere. Unlike can, which only works in present and past simple, be able to gives you complete flexibility across all English tenses. Be able to works in all tenses while can only works in present and past simple. Can and could have no infinitive form, but be able to can be used after verbs like want to, going to, or would like to. This makes be able to much more flexible for expressing ability. The basic pattern is simple. Subject plus be able to plus base verb. For example, I am able to swim, she is able to dance, we are able to help. Notice that be changes according to subject and tense, but able to plus base verb stays the same. In present simple, we talk about current abilities. I am able to swim means I have this skill now. She is able to code means she knows how to program computers right now. These show general abilities that exist in the present moment. For future abilities, use will be able to. I will be able to fly means in the future I will have this ability. She will be able to teach shows a future skill she doesn't have now but will develop. Will be able to is the future form of ability. Future perfect uses will have been able to. I will have been able to read means by some future point, this ability will be completed. They will have been able to build shows future completion of an ability. This tense looks at abilities finished before another future action. Past simple ability uses was or were able to. I was able to ride means at that past time I had this skill. He was able to sing shows a specific past ability. Was were able to describes abilities that existed at particular past moments. Past perfect uses had been able to. I had been able to finish means the ability was completed before another past action. They had been able to repair shows an earlier past ability. This tense shows abilities finished before other past events. Remember, be able to works in all tenses perfectly. It gives you complete flexibility that cannot provide. Use be able to whenever you need to express ability across different times, past, present, future perfect tenses all work perfectly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.